Hey babes, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. If you're new to my channel, my name is Iriel, that's I-R-A-R-I-E-L, and I'm coming to you with this matte orange vibrant makeup tutorial. I really love this. I really killed this look. I'm feeling it. And comment below if y'all like my hair, because this is my first time doing layers and curls, and I'm feeling it. Like, definitely giving me grown woman vibes, giving me rich auntie, bougie auntie with no kids, penthouse, and I go on shopping sprees every week. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this makeup tutorial.
You know, say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, they try to destroy me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty, so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say, I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me. wagon, oh, you been there. The girl, ride the window. I know, only what I thought.
All white right. Couldn't hit it if you niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt. It's a large. I don't care, I cuss a ghost. Got 2 kids in 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Type of money you gon' do the same. Type of money you gon' do the bank. From the whole type of money make you still bank. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the bank. Big bank, take little bank. Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know titty shining like a grillet. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrows. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big thing, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bank roll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Type of money you gon' do the same. Type of money you gon' do the bank. From the whole type of money make you still bank. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the
Alright babe, so this is the final look. Let me let y'all get into this look. Like, seriously, let me Period. I hope you all love this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also engage with me, y'all. Comment on my YouTube shorts, comment on my videos. If you don't follow me on Instagram at _Iriel, or on TikTok on Iriel, or on both. Like, I really be wanting to talk to y'all. I want to know what content you guys want me to make for you guys. What do y'all want to see next? So don't forget to comment and talk to me, y'all. If y'all have any makeup questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. But I love you all. Thank you for watching my videos, supporting me. Let's get to 1K subscribers, y'all. Y'all really got me to 500 and I'm so thankful. But let's expand the Babe Society. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.